So you're thinking about buying gochujang, but you're wondering, what do I make with it? Well, you came to the right place today. Here are some dishes you can make with gochujang. Everyone's favorite, spicy rice cakes called tteokbokki, finger-licking good fried chicken wing sauce, spicy pork ribs, spicy 콩나물 무침, sauce base for bibimbap, bibimbap with kimchi, braising liquid to so many dishes like spicy potatoes, fish cake stir fry, bulldog chicken, and bibimbap sauce. It is so good that I put it on everything. And fusion dishes like creamy gochujang grilled cheese. Ooh, that's good. Spicy cheese tteokbokki. And delicious dressing sauce to your grilled corn on the cob, or as a salad dressing with anchovy and grilled romaine lettuce. Southern style pork ribs. I mix it with my favorite barbecue sauce to glaze my barbecue ribs, and so much more. The dishes you can make with gochujang are endless. And you ask, so what does it taste like? Well, let me tell you. You could eat it straight out of the container. Oh, that's good. I instantly feel the spiciness. So that's one. It has a salty background. So gochujang is used to make so many dishes, but you could eat it as is. So sometimes I just add it to my warm Korean rice and add like my kimchi and seaweed crumbles and scrambled eggs and mix it all up and eat it like that as like a simple bibimbap. It does not taste sweet. I've seen some bloggers say that it's spicy and sweet. No, gochujang is never sweet. It's like tingling in my mouth and it's like making me salivate, making my mouth watery, literally. Oh, where are my manners? I didn't even introduce myself. Welcome to my vlog series where I review Korean ingredients, kitchen gadgets, and more. Hi everyone, this is Ellen and welcome to Modern Pepper. What is gochujang? First of all, always check the ingredient label for each manufacturer because you might have dietary restrictions. Gochujang is basically dry red pepper flakes, gochugaru, mixed in with sweet white rice flour turned into gravy consistency called 찹쌀가루, or with sweet brown rice flour turned into gravy consistency and mixed in, and a few other ingredients, and that kind of depends on each manufacturer. I know you're asking, what about storage? What I do is store my gochujang in the back of my fridge, and I take out some in a airtight glass container for me to go in and out of as I cook with it and eat it. But always follow the expiration date that's listed on the gochujang container. And yeah, you notice this one is ginormous, right? I always buy the big one because it is the most economical choice. But if you don't plan to cook with gochujang a lot, just buy one of those smaller ones. Gochujang, doenjang, which is fermented soybean paste, soy sauce called 간장, and gochugaru, which is Korean dry pepper flakes. Those are the foundation to Korean cuisine. Gochujang is not something that you could just whip up and put together. Gochujang is actually something that's made with so much TLC, and it also needs like at least a year or so to properly ferment. If you're interested in learning more about Korean seasonings, along with more on gochujang, make sure to check out my tutorial on must-have Korean seasonings. How spicy is it? It's not that bad. It's actually just gets you nice and sweaty a little bit. I would say it's about medium, and I know that's very relative to each person what medium means, but let's put it this way, like Thai food spiciness is no joke. This is seriously like mid-level at best compared to Thai food spiciness. When I eat Thai food, my face literally just gets flamed up and I have to like walk out of the restaurant to cool down. That's how spicy Thai food is for me. So which brand do I like? I don't really have a strong preference. I always tend to stick with the big brands because they make so much gochujang and they've been doing it for so many years. If you are in the business of making gochujang and Koreans eat it and they're that successful, there's a reason reason why. So I always stick with the bigger brands, but I've noticed that here in the States too, there's like small American producers, manufacturers making gochujang. I have not tried them yet, but I say give it a try and see which one you like. And lastly, what I really want to say is gochujang is not a condiment. TV shows and huge recipe bloggers here in the States refer gochujang as the ketchup or condiment of Korea. And I want to tell my friends that's not the case. I love ketchup, by the way. And ketchup is made sort of like that at a factory, right? And we squirt it and that's how we enjoy it. Gochujang, on the other hand, is the opposite of that. It needs so much TLC to perfectly ferment it, and it takes like a year or 2 years to reach that perfect arc of fermentation. And we use it to cook so many dishes with. And also we turn it into dressings and sauces that we use later as a condiment. But gochujang itself is nothing like ketchup or a simple condiment. Now, because gochujang is so popular now, you'll also see these squeezable gochujang sauces at your local supermarket. I say give it a try, you might like it. But these squeezable bottles, they add seasonings and other stuff to make it more runny and gravy consistency, so you could just squirt it on whatever food you're eating, like as a condiment. But for me, I'd rather use my gochujang in its original form, add my own seasonings and other stuff to it to make it into this delicious velvety sauce. And I actually have a recipe coming this Thursday where I'm going to show you how to make 2 kinds of gochujang sauces at home for your bibimbap and whatever you want to add to it. Oh, I'm gobbling in my mouth right now. Why am I whispering? I don't know. Anyway, it's that good. It's so good. So I will see you on Thursday. So subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't done so. So if you're thinking about buying gochujang or not, don't hesitate. Get one. You'll love it, especially if you love Korean food. So all the recipes showcased in today's video is listed in the description box below, as well as the gochujang link if you want to order it online. And if you're interested in browsing through more Korean ingredients and kitchen gadgets, make sure to check out my modernpepper.com/store and also amazon.com/shop/modernpepper. And you could use those product links as a reference when you go grocery shopping at a Korean grocery store, because it could be overwhelming. Or you could order them online. I may or may not, they say, earn a small commission at no cost to you. So I want to thank you in advance if you order any products using my Amazon links. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed today's gochujang vlog, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Yes, come and cook Korean food with me at Modern Pepper. 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 꼭 눌러주세요. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here, where I review Korean ingredients. Oh God. Turned into porridge or... So you're wondering... Oh no, not wondering. So you're wondering... Not wondering. Oh God.